Hi there, my name is Catherine Kwan. I'm a developer advocate on the Google Developer Relations team. This video explains in a little more detail about the Valentine's Day app that was first introduced in the previous video of the playlist. Be sure to watch that one first if you haven't already. So to pick up where we left off, you are customizing this app containing a list of coupons for your Valentine. We'll take a look now under the hood and see how the views for one coupon is constructed. For each coupon, we start with a relative layout. Then we place an image view inside of it, which stretches the whole width and height of the relative layout. We proceed by adding a view at the bottom with a slight gradient so the text doesn't blend in with the photo. On top of the gradient overlay, we then add the title of the coupon. The last view is a text view containing the description. And there you have the completed view. We took the individual coupon views and then laid them out into a grid view. The number of columns in the grid adapts based on screen width for optimal viewing of the app on all device sizes. On phones like the Nexus 5, it will be a single column grid, which is essentially a list. And it's the same in both portrait and landscape mode. On tablets like Nexus 7, it will be 2 columns in portrait, but 3 columns in landscape. On tablets like Nexus 10, we have a 3-column grid in landscape and portrait mode. For information on how the resource folders are named and set up, see the provided link. Keep in mind that when you're displaying all these images on such high-resolution screens, you may consider sizing down your images so that when they're all loaded up and the user is scrolling through the list, they don't run out of memory. If you still have performance issues, then you can read more about bitmaps with this link. Now let's talk about how the sharing part of the app works. When the user taps on a coupon, we build up a share intent using the shareCompat class, and the user can pick which app to share to. The intent is composed of text from the title and description of the coupon, a content URI that maps to the image, and a type for the image. You'll notice that we don't pass the image file directly, but rather a content URI that the framework uses to find the image. In this case, the Hangouts app will try to figure out what the URI points to, and it will reach our asset provider class, which then translates this URI into a file descriptor with the right permissions to access the image. And that's how the giraffe image ends up in the Hangouts app within the conversation thread. The asset provider is an example of a content provider. Content providers can be used to access a database or files, like in our case. This link shows you where you can get more info on content providers. So that's the overview of everything. Hope that helps, and good luck with building your app.